Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. I just wanted to do a short video today that was requested a couple times in the previous comments on one of the Corvette videos. Can't remember which one it was, but it was asking about the exhaust on the Corvette. Now, it is factory manifolds. It doesn't have headers on it. It does have the cats removed from the factory mid pipe, and it has a Borla cat back on it, but I don't know exactly which one it is. I will show you guys which Borla system that it looks like, if I can get up under there to show you, and maybe somebody that knows a little bit more about this exhaust can chime in and tell me exactly what it is. But it is a dual tip instead of the quad tip, and if we look up under there, I'm not sure if you can tell which exhaust that is. So if you can tell anything by what that looked like, I couldn't even tell if I showed it, but anyway, in the comments below, tell me exactly what exhaust this is. But I'm going to just drive this new road kind of how I normally do, which is a little bit of low revs, mid revs, high revs, and just kind of take you through the full spectrum of this exhaust and how it actually sounds. The way I'm going to do it is Don Mazzetti, or Mike Tornaby, whoever you want to call him, posted a video on his Audi R8 on how to film a proper exhaust video, and it showed running the mic all the way down. So we're actually going to record from right there. Forgot my tape, so I kind of had to lodge it in behind there. Hopefully we don't get too much plate rattle or bumper rattle, whatever, and it doesn't distort the sound too bad. So I'm going to go ahead and mount this GoPro in there so you can at least just see me driving and kind of where we're at in the RPMs. And hopefully this answers the questions about how this exhaust actually sounds. And if you're contemplating getting this exhaust, hopefully it will sway you one way or the other, either positive or negative, against this exhaust. So let me hop in the car and we'll take a little drive, and I'll show you exactly what this sounds like. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. Just wanted to reply to a couple people that asked about this exhaust. Like I said, I'm not exactly sure what model Borla exhaust this is, so if anybody knows, comment below and I'll update the description with that new information. But it's about to rain. I'm going to get the car home so we don't total it out, as Corvette owners say, and I'll see you guys on the next video.